Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2019 Range Rover Velar. Now this is the R-Dynamic S 180, so it's a 2-litre diesel engine with the 180 brake horsepower engine. Now this car's only a couple of weeks off being a 69 registered vehicle, so very late in the 19 plate, and finished in the Fuji white. Now it's sat on the optional upgrade of the 22-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. Now they've just been recently powder coated, so they're brand new. We had them powder coated before we put them on, and they look absolutely as new in every respect. Now this particular car has the dynamic pack. So the dynamic pack gets you the front lower splitter spoiler on the bumper, the rose gold and detail. We've got optional extra front fogs there. We've then got the grille and then the signature style lights. The rose gold follows into the bonnet vents and then the nice trims down the side doors. We also get the black mirror caps. We get the black roof rails, which are optional extra, and it also has the privacy glass in the rear. Very nice car. This is a one owner car from new. Has the service documentation at the Land Rover dealer. Service every 21,000 miles or 2 years, these cars. However, we've just serviced it again a year before it needs doing at our own workshop. Now this car then has a factory option of a panoramic glass roof. Really a must-have extra on all Velars. We always get the question, has it got a panoramic roof? Yes, it has. That's a nice option. Fuji white with the contrast black detail looks fantastic. The paintwork on this is in exceptional order. This has just done over 27,000 miles from new, so a very lightly used car by the first keeper. All the tyres are fantastic on the car also, as well as the wheels being brilliant. Nice chrome centre caps as well. The car sits wonderful, it really does. It's a very nice example. We sell lots of Velars. The Velar 180 DS there, so it's got that. We've got the optional, you can have that Irish number plate on as well, so nobody knows what age of car it is. Electric tailgate, and then as we jump in the boot there, we've got this huge boot. They are acres and acres of space in there. And then this one also has the space-saving spare wheel, 18-inch spare wheel, so you won't be worried about having a puncture on those tyres. You've got the spare there to quickly put on. Black detail and then the grey centre, parking sensors front and rear, as well as a reversing camera on this car. Down the driver's side again, it's a bit of water on here, but this is going in our showroom, so please come and visit us anytime, any place, anywhere, depending what the weather's like. You'll see it in the dry. 2 keys are in my pocket. These are keyless cars, so you can just press that button there if you wish, and the car will lock and the mirrors power fold in. As you come towards the car, recognises you here, press the button again and we open the door. Now this has again got some nice features. We have 4 electric windows, we've got power fold mirrors, we've got the heated electric memory driver's seat, we've got Meridian surround sound, our dynamic kick plates in aluminium, our dynamic pedal set. Driver's seat again is electric, and as I jump in there you can see it's only done 25,694. So very nice mileage. Automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, and then internally then we've got the multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, Bluetooth. We've then got the media player navigation system, so we've got satellite navigation. As you can see, touch it goes bigger. Always go to the home screen, it gives you the media player, which is DAB, Bluetooth streaming. Spin it back, then we've got Bluetooth. Go back to the home, we flow through, we've got the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Connect your car phone or connect the phone to the car, and you'll get Google Maps as well if you so wish. Bluetooth vehicle dimensions, 4-wheel drive information, all there, I understand, and then you can go off-road information and dynamic information, as you can see there. So depending where you're going, all of that is now nice. Moving down to the second screen, if we go to that button there, we can have various things on there as well flown through. So you've got twin screens if you so wish. My wife has the exact same car as this, round town we get 34 miles to the gallon all the time. On a motorway run, if I'm going on a holiday, on a nice 70 miles an hour in cruise, I get around about 45 to 47 miles to the gallon. They are arguably the best SUV on the market today. We do not struggle to sell these higher spec vehicles as of this. If you have a look, I've detailed all the factory options and the prices there on the car. So check out before you buy one all the extras that this car has that the one that maybe you're comparing it to doesn't have. Especially those wheels, the panoramic roof. Heated front windscreen also on this car. That's a nice feature. But a lovely, lovely example. Again, popping open the back doors because it's a twin lock. We've got electric reclining seats on this one. Again, that is a factory option. You can just press those buttons and they recline. Nicer version of the panoramic glass roof there. It does have a sun blind as well, so you don't get too cold. Chairs are all in wonderful order on that car in the rear. But a super car, I must admit. I love my one. They drive fantastic. They'll fit 5 adults in with ease. Fuel efficiency is quality on them. And for what you get for your money, there isn't a better car on the market. Prices are dead strong on these. The reason being is Jaguar Land Rover, obviously in the last 12 months, stopped making them due to supply issues with the COVID scenario, and then obviously the war in Ukraine. So they concentrated on building their bigger models. So they discontinued, or shall we say, reduced supply of these vehicles to market, as well as the Evoque, and thus the prices on these have remained very, very strong, and supply of them is very limited. So coming in the future, you can guarantee the prices are going to be strong all the way through the car's life. Great to drive, superb to look at, loads of extras on them, got that Irish number plate on there, which obviously you don't know the age of it. Service history is all at Land Rover, plus we've just serviced it ourselves. So if you'd like to reserve this car or have any more information on it, give us a call here in Wigan. I'm Graham, we've got Dom and Lee on sales. We'll be happy to help you in any way. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call, we'll give you the price. If you need finance, PCP, hire purchase, we can do all of that. But have a look at the website, have a look at the information on it, have a look at the extras, compare it to the cars that are available, and you'll see that this is a wonderful specification car in outstanding order, and it's going in our showroom. So yeah, lovely thing. Thanks for watching the video, and give us a call if we can help you in any way.